Alright guys, so here we have this 24-inch TV, Samsung Smart. Doesn't start up, and as you can see, look how nasty that is. Oh god, and it smells too. So basically this TV doesn't turn on. It looks like there's no life in that. There was no lit on or anything like that. The lady at the pawn shop says, oh, it might be because of this, because it's really loose, but it's not, because I unplugged this, left the backlights plugged in here, and the backlights turn on, which is kind of funky, but I went ahead and ordered a new board here. So I'm gonna set this down on the floor, and the funny part is I left it outside here so it can air out. And all these ants started getting on there, probably because they smelled the cockroaches, or they sensed the cockroaches there. Yeah, this is one of those TVs where it's, you know, I spent 20 bucks on this TV thinking, whatever, it's gonna be an easy fix. I didn't expect for it to be like this. It sure didn't look like it was that bad. The actual TV looks kind of new here. I believe it's a 2016 or 2017. It's disgusting. I'm gonna go ahead and try to wipe some of this crap down, so hold on. Bleh. So I tried to clean the TV as much as I could here. There's just a lot of residue of bugs and stuff like that. That's one of the things that you're gonna be coming, that I come across with a lot. Not a lot, but quite often. Especially when I buy TVs from people's houses, when I pick them up. They tell me, oh, it doesn't work, something, blah, blah. Most likely, the bugs probably messed it up, jacked it up here. I don't know for a fact, but I do know that this TV does not turn on here, as it should. And we're gonna try to turn it on here. Let me just secure this here. Where's my screwdriver? This is terribly nasty. I'm gonna wash my hands like 3 times when I get back inside. And it sucked because I was opening this up inside, thinking nothing of it. And as soon as I see a spotted bug, I was like, oh, hell no. So I came outside and started doing this. So I'm almost done here. Let me screw this bad boy in there. And this is the same board, board replacement here. Like I said, the only reason why I'm replacing this is because when I unplug the power board from the main board, the TV lights up, and usually that's a fair assumption there. So let me bring some power in real quick. Hold on. All right, so we got the power here. I believe that's all we need here. Everything should be plugged in. Let's hit it. Power has been introduced. Let's make sure here we have see if there's a light coming on. I'm gonna turn it on here. Nothing. Let me go ahead and try to let me unplug it real quick here. Hold on. Okay, so we have this plugged in here, and I can tell here, see that bright light right there? That is part of the board, so I unplugged it here. It's unplugged, so the light is on, I know for a fact. So now we're gonna go ahead and plug this in here while it's plugged in. Hopefully we can get that thing to light up. It's lit up now. So it seems like it may be on. Let me turn it, flip it over. Alright, TV is flipped over, and look what we have here. It is really hard to see because this is in the dark here, but there is life in this. Let me see if I can change menu here. Right there. And it's even a smart TV. Look at that. Look at that. So I don't think I mentioned the model number here. But this is model number. Let's go to check it out here. UN 24H4500, and it was made in 2017, right there. That's sorry, because 2017, I would expect this from a TV that's made in 2010, 12, 11, but you know, I think this is already a Spanish, so it kind of tells me what kind of persons they were. Don't let the bugs get in your TV. This new TV, really nice electronics. That, not pleasant at all. Hopefully, figure this out, and hopefully you don't have bugs in your TVs. And till the next time, guys, thanks for watching. Techie Life out.